Good morning, y'all. What is today? It is Sunday, November 24th at 8:30 in the morning. As y'all see right there, I have a hair appointment. She actually pushed it back till 9:30, but I left out a little bit early because I wanted to stop and get Starbucks, something to eat. You know how I get down. So we're gonna go and get something to eat first, and then I'm gonna head to her shop getting blonde braids. Let me show y'all the inspiration because I want y'all to see what I'm going for. So when I walk out, if I'm upset, y'all know why. This is what I want. This is what I'm wanting today. And I think she could do it. She do real good. This is my first time going to her. So yeah, we finna go to Starbucks right quick. And then I'll be on the way to my appointment. So I'm gonna see y'all there. Hey, look at my nails. It's time for a feel. Yeah, so I made it. I'm currently we're separating the hair. I just took my ugly doodle braids out. I'm currently editing this vlog, y'all. I'm editing this vlog. I'm supposed to have posted this, but it's okay. I'm gonna get it out probably tomorrow, if not on Wednesday.
Check it out. Hit you with no delaying of what you saying, yo. Silly with my 9 milli with the dilly, yo. When I be on the mic, yes, I do my duty, yo. While up in the club like we while in the studio. You don't wanna violate, nigga, really and truly, yo. My main thug, nigga named Julio, he moody, yo. Type of nigga that'll slap you with the tulio. Bitch, nigga scared to death, act fruity, yo. Fuck that, look at shorty, she a little cutie, yo. The way she shake it make me wanna get all in the booty, yo. Top mistress in the banging bitches and videos. While I'm with my freak like we up in the freak shows. Hit you with the shit, make you feel it all in your toes. Hot shit, got all you niggas in wet clothes.
Hey y'all, so currently I'm just ready to go. I'm finna go get my eyebrows done and my nails fixed, y'all. Yeah, I gotta go get these redone. They real ugly now. On the way out now. And I'm gonna just catch up with y'all when I get to the eyebrow.
Formulate my flows. If you don't know, you fucking with lyrical playing pros like that. You wanna party with me? Let me see just what you got for me. Put all your hands where my eyes can see. Straight buck wildin' in the place to be. If you really wanna party with me, let me see just what you got for me. Put all your hands where my eyes can see. Straight buck wildin' in the place to be. If you really party with me, ain't God we trust. Yo, it's a must that you heard about, yo, we murder us. A lot of niggas is wondering and they curious. I mean, and my niggas do it, it's so mysterious. Furious, all of my niggas is serious. Shook niggas be walking around fearing us. Front nigga like you don't want to be hearing us. Gotta listen to how he'll be playing us. 30 times I did you to make you delirious. Damaging everything all of
I have that.
It's funny how on the
Okay, y'all. Naya, Cam. Next time yours is free? Hey! Let me make sure I come that time so you can still spend some money. So yeah, we finna, where we going, Miriam? The nail shop, but I'm taking her car to go somewhere else. And let me see.
Yeah. The nail shop, I told him I was gonna be there at 3 o'clock.
I just come through with a couple bossy bitches. They get money too. They some don't cross me bitches. Bye, y'all.
On your hands with my eyes to see. Straight buck wildin' in the place to be. If you really wanna party with me, let me see just what you got for me. Put on your hands with my eyes to see. Straight buck wildin' in the place to be. If you really wanna party with me.
tell your friend to come here, okay?
Y'all heard me. Come here.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find the love within. I came back to let you know got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze from your love. See, I came back to let you know got a thing for you, and I can't go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they dream of. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you make me do for love when I would not. Now my friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a day when your love you see. Now I came back to let you know got a thing for you, and I can't go.
Okay. Hi guys. So as y'all see, my lashes look a fucking mess. It's 9:04. Raya finna do my lashes. She was nice enough to get me in today. Wait, they don't love you like I love you. Wait, they don't love you like I love you. Packing time.
I'ma walk in erection. Spin without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga called us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is.
Don't open your mouth, you ain't speak good to me. I ain't built like him, fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game just to watch how we ball. I ain't never.
Hey y'all, we was in the airport and we finna board our plane to go to Punta Cana. Woo! You not excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah, I just wanted to close out the vlog correctly and not leave y'all hanging because all my maintenance was done after my lashes, I think. Yeah. And then I just showed y'all a little bit of me packing, which was very, very hectic. If y'all want to know more about our trip and y'all want to see the travel vlog, make sure y'all go watch my next vlog. That'll be uploaded shortly after I post this maintenance. But I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time that I post a video, because why not? You need to be locked in, so you gotta subscribe. So yes, y'all, I'll see y'all on Punta Cana.